CARDPRESSO's XS Edition is specifically tailored to meet the needs of small businesses, with key features that save you time and make printing ID cards a snap. Let's take a look at some of the specific functions in XS Edition that streamline card production. For small business owners, time is money. The best way to save time when printing ID cards is to maximize resources you've already invested in, like your database. XS Edition interfaces with the external database you've already developed, allowing you to access database information from within the printing software and use it to quickly and securely produce individualized ID cards without manually duplicating data. XS Edition is compatible with Excel, CSV, and TXT database connections. Linking Excel files to your design allows you to drag and drop database elements directly into a design and alter them with a single click. That's a surefire way to reduce errors and save you time, money, and a few headaches along the way. XS Edition also gives you the option of including QR codes with customized data like employee ID or name. All you have to do to include QR codes when printing any ID card is to link each code to a column in your database, and CARDPRESSO software will automatically do the rest. Another important feature for small businesses featured in XS Edition is document password protection. You can prevent unauthorized alterations to your design template, access to your database, or ID card printing by password locking different phases of the card production process. Let's imagine you want to allow employees to print ID cards, but not alter the design template. No problem. A password lock on only the design phase allows card printing without any undesired creative license. Or imagine you want to restrict who can print ID cards. Again, password protection gives you control over the entire printing process. We understand how time-consuming it can be to learn yet another software program. Production Mode View gives you a streamlined interface once you've defined the design, making day-to-day card production easy. You can add or manage data and print tags with just one click. XS Edition saves small businesses time and adds security to the card production process by connecting to your existing Excel database, adding individualized QR codes, restricting unauthorized access with password protection, and simplifying day-to-day printing with production mode. For more information or for a quote, contact your local reseller or email us at sales@cardpresso.com. CARDPRESSO's XS Edition, making ID card printing a snap for your business.